5 cleaning tips you neglect that can save you. We try to do everything well, but here are the tasks that we tend to neglect for laziness or lack of habit. They can make a difference in everyday life for sure. Number 1. Iron your clothes before wearing. The germs nestle in the particle of clothing. Do you wonder, since you have finished dressing, you have a sudden cold? Maybe the culprit is the scarf in your neck. Especially for people who have a large number of clothes. It is very important to be reassured by killing all the bacteria which can get into the nose and in the mouth quickly. Number 2. Change your sheets every 2 days. Myths. They cause a lot of allergies to some people. These little beasts love pillows, comforters, mattresses. They nest there by sweating and breathing. So to avoid waking up sneezing, it is better to change your sheets regularly so that you always have a clean, fresh bed in which to sleep without worrying about having your health compromised. Number 3. Pass the mop and dry the ground. An object falls and we must disinfect it because the ground is dirty. What a hassle! In addition, when you are young, you like to sit on the floor sometimes. It is more comfortable than a chair. Find out why. So it will be a shame to give up this pleasure because of fear. Like dirty floor is very ugly, you have to make it shine as much as possible. You will see it feels good at home after that. Number 4. Declare loaded parts. Who says loaded parts says either dust, humidity, or odors. In short, a whole lot of pretty and pleasant stuff. It's time for the big spring cleaning. So you have to remove all these boxes, sort through the clothes, take out the old newspaper. Air must fly, light must come in. It will be safer to see the places where the bacteria should settle and therefore to clean them more quickly. Do not come inside with shoes. There is an information going around. The virus like dirt, and it seems rather obvious that if there is a dirty place outside, it is the road. So let your shoes in front of your house. It is better to protect that tenderly cleaned floor. What belongs to the sidewalk remains on the sidewalk, or in this case, at the entrance. Now, naturally, as usually, our bonus points. Rinse your dishes a little by hands before washing them. Why? Because it allows you to touch soap and water as much as possible. It also makes washing the machine easier and more efficient. If you don't have one, you better do the dishes and don't leave them lying around, because it is the best way to attract critters, which then attract bacteria. No one wants this discomfort. For detailed solutions, you can watch the video on Future Best Friends accessory. Dear Sophisty, here is your reward for reaching this point. Change towels and towels as much as possible. You do not have to obliterate. We tend to neglect this point because ecology, etc. In this case, you have to wash them by hands if you want to save electricity. Bath towels, table towels, and tea towels for the bed must be changed. It is simply reassuring and can remove a weight on the back of the anxious people. Do you have any other tips? Like to help spread the word. We meet next time in a video that will improve your confinement. The notifications are below. Tschüss!